Hi guys, welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
And I'm Nena Bhan.
And before we begin today's episode, I have a PSA. Subscribe to this podcast because,
Come on. You
yeah,
want to support us in the comments, support us in the subscription. We're trying, we're on 22 episodes. We've never been so
gang,
consistent about
yeah.
anything else in our life.
And also, you will have bad sex for 7 years if you don't
And
subscribe
also,
to
your
the
hair
pod.
might fall out if you don't
And
subscribe.
also, your breath will stink.
If you don't subscribe.
Yeah, if you don't
If you don't.
I mean, it's not us, it's
Yeah,
the
it's-
subscription button. So just hit that subscription button.
And let's get into the video.
You know how there's a lot of trends in the market at any given point, right?
Yes.
Either I'm getting fucking old or the trends are not trending, you know? Like, I'm just not into it anymore.
I feel like every moment that I catch on to a trend, it's changed.
Bro.
And I just don't know how to stabilize myself because, like, I don't
Yeah.
know what to do. And I also feel like the algorithm is pushing a certain trend to me, is pushing something else to you, is pushing something else to someone else.
Yeah. What's one trend right now that you're super into?
Into,
Yeah.
there's this woman who's dancing
Oh.
with a ghungat.
Oh.
Where she's like, and then she does this weird step.
Ooh.
That's a trend that I aspire for us to make together.
Oh my god, you sent it to me.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, okay, our algos are different. One trend that is really everywhere for me right now is that fucking butter yellow color.
Oh
Which
God, yeah.
Pro-
Sorry, I felt it in my throat. Yeah.
it first of all, it's probably going to not be a trend by the time this episode is edited and pushed out. But now suddenly I'm low-key into butter yellow.
Shut up. It looks like pus. It legit looks like pus.
Pascore, you mean?
Yuck. Okay, yeah, that's another trend. Like turning everything into core.
Yeah.
I hate that.
That's so yuck core.
Yeah.
Not into that. There's very few trends that I'm into, and I know it's just like temporary, but I'm a whore for trends. Like if I see it enough times, I'm like, fuck it, yeah, butter yellow is the vibe. Like a pop of red and everything.
See, my issue is that when I was younger, trends were dictated by like a certain group of like professionals.
Yeah.
You know, and then they were followed like religion. Now, thanks to the fucking internet, anyone with a keypad and a Wi-Fi connection just like starts like yapping away at the internet and you can just say whatever you want and suddenly it's a trend. And you know, the funniest thing is that while the Ambani pre-wedding was happening, there was that other couple on the internet that was equally trending.
Raja.
Yeah, and I'm like, that is literally like a mirror to society. That anyone at any point of time can be on top of like the trend universe and it has nothing to do with logic anymore.
And I think my main problem with that is why is Moment of Silence not trending at the same level as the Ambani pre-wedding, you know? Just
Yeah, I have some beef with that because everywhere I go and I meet you guys, whoever I meet, y'all are like, oh my God, we love the pod, we this with the pod, we that with the pod. Can you record a message for my girlfriend? She's a big fan. Where are the
where the
subscribers?
views at?
Where are the views?
at? we're in our feeder
Everybody
era now.
recording sound right now shook. I've never spoken at this volume. I'm passionate, okay, about subscribers.
Yeah.
I
think podcasts are also having a moment right now. I think they're super in. And that's a trend I hate because I think there should only be one pod on the market. Just I don't know, maybe this one. Like, you know,
Yeah,
just
maybe.
Maybe.
No,
yeah.
I don't mind because then it's not like somebody's going to come onto the internet and be like, I'm only going to listen to this one tiny episode and not listen to anything else. I'm like, everyone, let all the women come together in twos and start podcasts because we're all feeding the same algorithm.
But the problem with that is then we have to actually be good.
yeah.
That's so much pressure. Like, how can we be expected to be good at our jobs?
That's true.
Sucks. I miss Monopoly. Please.
Anyway, my whole thing is that I want to dictate trends. I want to be the trendsetter. I've made a list along
Yeah.
with you.
Yes, you have.
And I want us to talk about what we think are predictions for what's in and what's not in.
Oh, this is going to be completely inaccurate, but I'm going to have a fun time doing this.
Listen, everyone has the right to a free opinion, and we're going to fucking take it and like roll
We're
with
going
it.
to take our opinion, juggle with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we start?
Let's start.
Okay.
Oh, the notes have
The
come
notes have come out.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do
Okay.
you want reading glasses also?
No, I'm not that old. Wait. Okay, we'll go through them like quick,
Let-
and you give your hot take, your not take, whatever.
Yeah,
Is not take a thing? I don't know.
Not take.
Yeah. Okay. One fashion trend which I feel like is gonna come back is a silicone bra strap. You know, like in my fucking teenagehood, every woman who wanted to hide her bra was wearing the most obvious bra strap in the world, and it was a silicone tape that like hung by your
Yeah.
shoulders, and then the spaghetti on top, and you were not fooling anyone. And now all the Gen Z kids are out with a vengeance to follow every trend that we rejected as a superior generation, and they've come out and they're going to start like wearing low waist jeans and wearing ashy makeup and trying to make it happen, wearing
It's been
capris,
done.
wearing
Bro,
capris and trying to make
are
capris
out.
happen.
They're
Yeah.
so out. But okay, I think the transparent bra strap, I hope it's never a trend again because I hated it. But I think bras are also out. Like, I
Bras are
think
out?
nobody wears a bra anymore. Right?
Yeah, every time I wear a bra, I have an issue because firstly,
Yeah.
you're moving into Mumbai summer, like you're drenched all the time.
Yeah, you don't want a
Sorry.
pool of sweat. Dude, I haven't bought a bra since 2015.
But I think that's also because we're
Yeah,
like part
okay.
of like the presidents of the Itty Bitty Titty community, you know, the committee.
The community.
The committee, and it's easy for us to kind of move around
Yeah,
undetected.
but I don't mind if a big titty hoe doesn't want to wear a bra either. I'm not staring. You do you. It's like nobody deserves that pool of sweat. Like, I think if the men just disappear for a day or something, we can all roam around braless. Like,
I think big tits are out.
you think big tits
Big
are-
tits. I know women with big tits, and they're like, we don't want it. We want to go for breast reduction because it's like back problem, this
Yeah,
problem.
can't
Like,
run.
yeah.
Not that I run either. Just in case you're wondering. Big
One
titty
less
girl.
excuse. One less excuse.
But you know, Sydney Sweeney is the it girl right
Yeah.
now. She's repping the big tits. So I think big tits might make a comeback. I think she'll give them the confidence to.
But I feel like Sydney Sweeney only worked in Euphoria. Like now with that new like romance
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
she's just failing.
Have you been on Twitter in the past 1 month?
I'm not
She's
on Twitter.
everywhere.
Okay, whatever.
Sydney
This was
Sweeney,
my opinion. It's free.
I have a hot take.
Yeah.
I don't get Euphoria.
That's not a hot take. I don't get
Okay,
Euphoria
okay.
either.
I just don't. It's too artsy for me, you know, and I would say I'm a pretty artsy person. Like, but I just don't get it. I don't even get the outfits. Like, I mean, I like Alexa Demi. I like her personal style. I like all of that. But I don't think Euphoria outfits do it for me. It's a free opinion.
if it
Everyone's
wasn't-
allowed.
If it wasn't Euphoria, it was Kylie Jenner and Kim Kardashian,
Yeah.
like
Gang,
dictating trends. So
Yeah.
I'm at least happy that someone came
Fair.
from somewhere and gave Shein a whole new Fashion Nova, a whole new perspective. You know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did. There were bits of Euphoria that just like really freaked me out. Like Barbie Ferreira's whole like her being on the internet like a
Oh,
cam
yeah,
girl.
yeah.
And
I was thinking of America Ferrera and Barbie. So I was like, wait, what? Yeah, but
Sorry,
Barbie.
did I say- oh,
No,
no,
you said
okay,
Barbie
okay,
Ferrera.
yeah.
I'm just a dumbass.
yeah.
Yeah.
That freaked me out. Another thing that's in is I feel like premium, like calling yourself a premium sex worker is in.
Where?
OnlyFans! Literally.
yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm on OnlyFans, I'm doing this. There was this woman from The Sopranos. Like, I saw her in an interview recently, and she's like, I've gotten onto OnlyFans, and my son came up to me, and he was like, Mom, it's so embarrassing that you're on OnlyFans. And she's like, you weren't complaining when I got you that
Yeah.
fucking whatever XYZ expensive thing. And she's like, that's how I do it. My tits pay for everything.
And that's on facts. I feel like making your money is in. I don't care how you
Yeah.
make your money. Like, someone's buying it, you know.
Yeah. if there's an audience, there's an audience.
Yeah.
Like Nora Fatehi's like interview with Ranveer, okay? She knows what she's talking about because she's
I was so upset. I saw Naina in the comments going like, "Oh, did you relate to the Nora Fatehi interview?" I texted her and I was like, "Bitch, what the fuck?" Like, which is something we disagree on. Obviously, I thought Nora Fatehi was being a pick me ass bitch, but like,
I'm like, dude, at the end of the day, she knows her audience. Her audience is like, finally, she's speaking
Yeah.
for us. And like, yeah, women are evil. And yeah, like, feminism sucks.
But
and all
here's
that.
the thing: she's catering to her male audience. Whatever, do your thing, babe. But like, it affects other women. So why shit on other women to hone in your point? I feel like hating on feminism is in, but we haven't even gotten to the point of equality yet to start hating on feminism. Like, you know, because the Andrew Taters are back in full swing, misogyny is in. So obviously we have to overcompensate and like stand for as a woman and like
Yeah.
all of that. And Nora Fatehi, a conventionally attractive woman who's benefiting from feminism, is suddenly like, oh, women are so evil to me. Men are not nice to you either. You choose to listen to the men because they are your audience, and obviously you're attractive, like I said. So they're gonna be like, oh, Nora, you're so amazing for saying all women suck. But you're being a pick me, Nora, since you are watching this pod.
So, like, my thing is that, okay, there all shades of people should exist. I'm not ever saying that Andrew Tate shouldn't exist. Exist. Like, you don't have to form your opinion based on what, like, you don't have to follow in his footsteps. You can take whatever you want. Everybody's allowed to their opinion. And, like, my whole thing is that she's stuck, like she is stuck in her, she's been pushed to a corner, okay? Like she is coming in as an alpha woman, she's built her audience, she's been in her extra like masculine, she's doing all of these things, and now she's reached a place where I don't think she's going to find like a appropriate enough provider man to like
Right.
settle down with. I think that's her issue, that she's reached a quality where she's not going to be able to find a partner so easily.
But her saying that like, oh, women are naturally nurturers and men are providers is going to put her in a very sticky situation.
That's what I'm saying, like-
my thing is, nobody asked Nora Fatehi if women suck. She could have just kept her mouth shut.
Yeah, I mean, she went a bit far in every
Yeah.
direction, but I think, I guess, like, you know, when you're like
In the zone.
in the zone, you just start like all your deep thoughts start flowing, and you know, there are some that you don't need to share, like my mom points out, like I might be doing right now, and there are some that you do share. The other thing, I was like, wow, Nora Fateh and I are the same age.
Really?
Yeah, maybe that's why I kind of relate. I'm like, I also can't find a
Is she also
provider
from Delhi?
who's not allowing me to be in my feminine energy of nourishment.
You think
and
she's
XYZ.
like, you think she's picking some, you think that statement was for one guy that she's in love with?
Yeah.
Oh, so she was just professing
No,
her
no,
love.
no. I think even if she went out to look, she's not going to find someone because she's so hyper independent.
Yeah.
She's so on top of her game. She's so threatening. Like, I would put her on a show to find her a husband, you know? Like, it's not possible. That man doesn't exist.
So, but why she gotta hate on the
I
girls?
don't know why she
though?
got to hate on the girls.
This
though.
is Naina's
I
own
don't know.
agenda about, oh,
don't know why she
Nora's
got
gonna
it.
die alone. Like, that's
No, not just you, Nora.
all of us, babe.
All of us.
You may hate us, but we're okay. You know, you thrive and no.
No, there
you
are
shouldn't
cer-
have said that, bro.
Yeah, you shouldn't have said that. No, there are certain truths that just like get introduced into your life, and certain reflections as you cross 30. And I also feel like she's not in a place where she's fully formed her opinion on things, and she's just reactionary to like her life. I'm sure in her life she's dealt with a lot of like mean girl behavior, a lot of like pick me girl behavior has gotten her to a certain place. I feel like women have been fucking mean to me through my life, and like this whole need to try and like humble me if you can't say something nice to me, or just like, oh, ye zyada ud rahi hai, isko zyada bolna nahi chahiye.
But you know, I feel like it's, if a man is a sick fuck to you, you won't be like it's the all not all men argument,
Yeah.
right? Like it's I'm sure there are women that are mean. I'm sure there are, like, but it's always like being mean and being nice to you because they view you as an object. I feel like the intention, like, women are mean because we only have limited spots and we've been taught to compete against
Yeah.
each other. But men are like,
मैं तो men पे जा ही नहीं रही हूँ. I'm just like picking in our own circle. Anyway, my
do you
other
think it's the couch? Do you think it's the Ranveer couch where as soon as you sit, you're like, you have to say
100%.
something?
I'm like, dude, you know, like you're in a list of like episodes with different A-list celebrities. Everybody, like, you feel the pressure to really bring something to
Yeah.
to the table. You're like, oh, you know, what if mine is the only episode that gets like
Gets-
5,000 views because I wasn't like honest enough or whatever, you know?
Yeah. The more I think about it, the more I think celebrities should just shut up. I think celebrities are out actually. I don't think that, I think, look, say what you want about influencers. I don't care. I'm an influencer, so I have to say I love influencers. But celebrities in general, just because they have an audience, they start talking like they're the expert on fucking
No one's an expert.
butter. Like, you don't know shit about butter. You're not the Amul guy. You know?
No, I do think celebrities, like the idea of the celebrity is out because
Yeah.
like the definition has changed. Like back in the day, there was only cinema. You showed up in cinema and there was no other content to compete with
Yeah.
you. So like a Shah Rukh Khan was like Shah Rukh
Rukh
Khan
Khan.
in the theater for 6 months, a year. The people are going to watch the same cinema over and over again. Whereas now, like everyone's like, while I can't even watch a movie straight, my phone is on, I'm playing solitaire, my laptop is open, I'm like watching a YouTube video, and then I'm watching like a film that's got 100 crore budget. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not interested.
Yeah, I think
I say as an actor.
movies are low key out. Like, especially the movies that, like, you know, I feel like they're also not creating good movies. Like, you have to be of substance for people to watch.
Yeah. Oh, you guys should. This person is saying that Crew was a really good movie. You should go and check it out.
I did watch Crew actually. I thought it was really fun, but I think it still dragged on a bit much.
It did, but I was like, first time, like a female, like a chick flick where, you know,
Yeah.
all the jokes are like authentically, organically how women joke. The men are not like some heroes. Everyone is normal. You know, like the villains. Everyone is like a normal person.
Yeah.
And it's not like some dude has written this female character and like people are talking about blowjobs and this and that.
Yeah.
You know, it's like fun.
Dude, Diljit is in.
Diljit is in. Diljit is in.
My man.
I was at the gig. I was at his concert and he was wearing this Chanel jacket. He just came out with like gloves, a Chanel jacket, like drop crotch, like white denims, and this shirt. And I was like, damn,
That's daddy.
that's daddy. I don't know if Papaji is has as much of a ring to it as daddy.
No, it's daddy.
Or I could go the extra mile and say Daddy G.
Daddy
But,
G, yeah.
Yeah, he's very like, wow, yeah, what a man.
Yeah. What else? What else is in? What's out?
Oh, I think being 30 is in.
I think being 30 is in as well as I approach 30.
And I think being 25 is so out and overrated. Everyone's anxious, everyone's depressed, everyone's like, their serotonin receptors are totally zapped from being online all the time.
Hey, we had to go through COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
In our early 20s. We're still like,
Yeah.
come on.
Okay.
Pandemics are out, by the way. We've just learned that Crew was in fact written and directed by a man.
I'm
You're-
just saying whoever did it,
Yeah.
they did a good job.
I feel like they really thought like a woman.
You know what's out? Speaking good English.
Yeah.
It's just shamed. Like if you're articulate, if you can string
Yeah.
like a 5-word sentence in English, you are the public enemy.
Dude, but I agree. There's no need to speak such good English. Stop it. You're not getting an award. That day I was passing my vape to someone and they asked, is it discharged? Bro, just say charge khatam ho gaya. Like, who says
No,
discharge?
that's a whole other thing. You can't. That's not even a word. It's not the correct
Dude,
word.
signage. Someone said, "Oh, just stop next to the signage." Stop it.
Yeah, what's wrong with our Matra Bhasha, Hindi?
Yeah.
No one's speaking Hindi anymore. What the hell?
Yeah, come on. Like, or speak bad English. I feel like
Bad
Sorry.
English is in.
bad English.
Bad
is in.
English is in. Accent, Western out.
Yeah.
Local in. Vocal for local.
Vocal for local.
Yeah. I really
Yeah.
feel like the future is 3-word sentences in English at max.
And every fourth sentence should be gang gang. That I'm advocating for that. And also when she said vocal for local, she meant like all local accents including mine.
Yeah.
Like it is a very quintessentially Bombay accent. So
Yeah.
stop coming at me.
At the same time, all the kids that were like born from the pandemic all have American accents because they are watching stuff on their iPads.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
Peppa
kahan se?
Pig.
Yeah, Peppa Pig.
It's a UK accent, the Peppa Pig. Have you watched that Peppa Pig? I
Yeah.
feel like Peppa Pig is in high time.
Peppa Pig is evergreen.
Yeah. Did you watch Peppa Pig growing up?
I was too old.
Same. But Natasha is 1 year younger than me. Suddenly she's nodding from the corner. So I guess I was just born in the hood.
You know what's having a moment? We were eating it the other day and you were like, this is fucking amazing. How could I have been so mean to it? Vada Pav is having a moment, guys.
Hey, man.
Delhi jao, Raipur jao, Rajasthan jao, kahi bhi jao, America jao. Vada Pav is in. It's just in. It's
I'm
on.
just silent all the way through. No, Vada Pav is having a moment. It's evergreen, some would
Yeah.
argue. But it's like not Bombay specific anymore.
Yeah, it's everywhere specific. In fact, Vada Pav is in, but Ghar Ka Khana is out. Everyone wants to eat out.
Ghar ka khana is out.
Right? Ghar Ka Khana is out. Everybody I see is ordering stuff on Zomato, Swiggy, Zepto, Blinkit. I don't see anybody eating them.
know-
Mom's hard labored cooking.
Natasha's sitting there eating her mom's hard labored cooking right now. But yeah, I think the thing is, it's so easy to fucking order stuff. And I would like to, with my whole heart, thank Blinkit for coming in on the scene. Like, it has changed my life. I get printouts at home. Bro, leaving your house is out.
Yeah, leaving your house is out. You know why? Because Uber
Traffic.
is fucking out.
Uber, bro. Uber needs to get their shit together. I literally gave my driver a 2-star review because I added 3 stops even though they were on the way because I had to get out for 1 second. I got out and he was like, time mat lena. I was like, I'm busier. I want to get to the place I'm getting to. But he was like, don't take more than 1 minute. And I was like, yeah.
No,
okay.
I don't mind. Like, there is nothing on the driver. The driver is fine. It's the company.
Oh.
Yeah. Why is my Uber? I just cannot find an Uber. I can never find an Uber.
Same.
And I can't walk because this city is so long. I'll never reach.
Dude, that day I literally got off in like traffic. I told the Uber guy to like complete the trip. And then I walked for 5 minutes, took a rickshaw, got off the next time there was traffic. And then I walked again and took another rickshaw because the traffic is so bad right now that I'm like, and don't say take public transport. I get that is possible, but I'm not complaining about the cars on the road. I'm complaining about the bad infra.
Yeah.
Bad infra is out.
Bad infra is in actually.
It's unfortunately.
Unfortunately, all of Mumbai is dug up. And it
Yeah.
happens every year. This year it's happening extra hard, but somehow the roads only last 11 months.
What are they trying to find? And if they find something under my building, do I have a theka in it? If they find oil, do I become rich?
I know.
I don't
Being
think-
rich is out.
Being rich is
It's
out.
really interesting because being rich is out because struggling is out. Hustle culture is in, but it's also out. You
I
know what I
feel-
mean?
I feel like hustle culture is in the sense that I have to stand and dance all day, but nothing is happening. Like, I just have to project like I'm working hard, even though I'm not. Like, and that is in. Like, you tell someone you make $80,000 a month, but you're sitting making $8.
So I feel like consistency is in, quality is out.
Yeah.
22 episodes consistency.
Woo!
22 episodes quality? I don't know.
I don't know her.
Yeah, I don't know her. Like, you
Yeah.
can do anything at this point. You could be a doctor if you like operated 10 people consistently. You know, that's the feeling I'm getting from the universe. This just in, loyalty is out.
You think so?
Yeah, fuck, boyery, girlery, every kind of re is in.
Oh, I think fuck boys are out. I think they're too, and even fuck girls. I think their playbook is too obvious. They're not good at it. I think loyalty is having a major comeback.
I've never seen it.
No,
Okay, chalo.
I think the Saat Janmo Ka Saath is either in or like having nobody is in.
Saat Janmo has been reduced. Saat Janam is out. 6 months is kind of in. 2 weeks fully I'm there.
Really?
Like 1 week marriage.
I think it's like either you stay together for 40 years or you have no one. Like, I think I don't think any of the middle stuff is, you can also tell where we are in our lives, I guess, by this. But like, what do you guys think?
Just me and Nora sitting and discussing our singledom. Okay. You know what's in? Hate comments. Trolling is so in. Trolling is having a moment. I feel like
I must say it's been a rather long moment for me, but I think the trolls are getting better at it.
very good.
I think they're doing a phenomenal job.
Phenomenal.
Keep at it. One day you'll actually get a content writing job from your trolling.
100%. Because you can't do anything without monetizing it. I think that's your loss.
Yeah. Like you're helping other people monetize. Just do a better job.
Nice
Hustle.
trolling.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what
Troll.
I think.
I love a good troll.
Yeah, I've become a troll.
Yeah, I know from the Moment of Silence account. You know, on a completely unrelated note,
Yeah.
though, I think hair removal is out.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's time to grow that shit out.
Yeah. I don't think I haven't gotten waxed in like months.
Yeah.
Like even the idea of opening Urban Clap, booking it,
Yeah.
it's not a vibe.
And laser is such a scam because like they tell you need 6 sessions and then 6 years later you're doing like
Yeah.
maintenance sessions, but you're just out by 10x the cost. I think hair removal is out. You just literally, if you want to shave, you shave the part that is visible in
Yeah.
the outfit.
Yeah,
And-
take a dry razor in the Uber. And
Yeah.
just 1 hour, just try and like go after till the point that you need.
and then that's it. Yeah.
I don't think we should hide all this stuff from men anymore. I think men wanted honesty. They want a good
Yeah.
girl. They want a simple girl. What's more simple than not removing hair from your body? I think, in my books.
Yeah.
Right?
If a man told me he likes hairy girls, I would start waxing. But they're saying they like hairless girls, so,
So,
it's
fuck it.
staying.
It's staying. You know what else? I really feel like the Shroffs are in. Jackie Shroff,
Ooh.
Tiger Shroff, मैं छोड़ी बच्ची हूँ. I'm here for you. Like Krishna Shroff, I think you're fucking cool. I think that girl is like super, super cool.
Dude, I fucking love when Jackie Shroff comes with that gamla everywhere.
That's the
It's
move.
so cool. You know, even being a plant parent is so in right now. Like, if a man takes care of his plants, I'm like, okay, you can take care of me.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
plant arguably is more difficult than even a woman.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was possible.
See, because a woman will adjust.
Yeah.
But a plant is like,
Nana.
ain't no water, ain't no plant.
You watered me very anxiously the other day. I didn't like it.
Ew.
Ew.
Yeah.
Same. But you know, I have followed Jackie's recipes with a passion. Like curry patta, that fried egg curry patta is awesome.
I've never seen this.
It's so tasty.
You'll make it for me.
Yeah,
By
I'll
the
make
way,
it for you.
Naina made me a watermelon feta salad that I've just finished
Yeah.
almost. It was delicious.
Thanks. Technically, it's ghar ka khana, but it's a little slutty, so it's allowed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like slutty ghar ka khana. I don't like ghar ka khana.
Yeah. So you don't like arbi and all that. You want like a little olive oil.
Yeah, like I don't like bhindi, but I don't mind a crispy okra.
I love crispy okra.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really nice. But like bhindi ki sabzi, I'm like, it's carbs. But crispy okra, I'm like,
Carbs are in.
carbs are out.
Carbs are in. Carbs can never be out.
I have not had carbs in 1 week. So
That's
maybe.
no wonder she's so loopy through this
Yeah,
episode.
dude.
Carbs will always stay in. For anybody who's on a health journey, right? Like cutting out your carbs is only gonna fuck your
I lost 3
diet.
kilos, so I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, you know what else is in? Ozempic. And now because of
Oh.
Ozempic, pregnancy is in. So we're all gonna be skinny moms.
Dude, yeah, because I feel like there's so many people on Ozempic. Just make it accessible.
So what is Ozempic? Ozempic is some kind of it began as some kind of like diabetes medication,
Yeah.
but then they realized that it was causing like
Weight loss.
at an alarming rate. So suddenly a lot of celebrities were working on their rest and drinking a lot
Yeah.
of water, but like dropping full dress sizes.
Ozempic.
And it's got a nice like vibe also. It's got like high cheekbones, gaunt
Yeah.
face, like everyone's looking super European, but like this winter European, not the
They're
summer
looking
European.
like who are those people in Game of Thrones? Not Game of Thrones. In Dune,
I don't like Dune.
whatever, guys. It wasn't. Oh, Dune felt like a Rajasthan tourism ad. Dune 1. It was just so much sand.
Yeah.
And then in part 1, the worm, everyone was like, oh no, the worm. In part 2, they're using it like fucking Uber Go. What's going on?
Timothy Chalamet is out.
You think so?
He's out. He's irritating.
Yeah. I also find him a little choti bachchi hogi.
Like he was the wrong choice for Wonka. I just feel.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe he was the wrong choice for Dune.
I think
but
Ishan Khattar was the right choice for Wonka. It was such a miscast. Missed opportunity. Ishan's team needs to work on his casting.
if not Timothy, then Ishan. That's the natural next choice.
Or
Wha-
Tiger Shroff.
Tiger
He
Shroff.
sings, he dances.
Tiger Shroff sings.
Yes.
You know too much about the Shroffs.
I love the Shroffs.
Nobody loves them so much. Even their mom's probably like, yo, I don't know this about Tigers.
You know what's in? Angel numbers.
Bro, I have a tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
just have to turn my whole
it's 222 right now. You
It's
know what?
222. Make a wish, guys. I am skinny. I am hot. I am
Followers are growing,
rich.
followers are growing.
I have a million followers.
My AC, somebody magically repairs it so we don't have to record the podcast.
You're
in
on
heat.
Urban Company, bro.
Yeah, so that's the thing, right? Like every day there's a consensus that the AC needs to be fixed. But everyone says, we should do something about the AC. And then no one does
Nothing is
anything
done.
about the AC. But angel numbers, if you don't know what they are, they're like, you know, those like 111, 222, 333, they all stand for something. And if
Yeah.
you are as clueless as me in how to govern your life, you just keep looking out for angel numbers because each angel number stands for something. One stands for like, you know,
I was
Finding.
telling someone, I keep seeing like 111 and 222, and they were like, "तो पूरा time phone पे रहेगी तो तेरे को दिखेगा ये सब."
it's true.
But okay, you know what's out? Rihanna.
She's out.
Look,
Yeah.
good for her. She's a billionaire and all, but going to Jamnagar,
Dude, you were paid a lot of money for that.
good for you.
How can you not call a woman by her name? The bride.
Yeah.
You can't call the bride by her name.
Radaki, bro, it's like, it wasn't that difficult.
wasn't
Come
that
on,
difficult.
Rihanna, you messed up.
And
Don't.
if they paid like so much money for the
Yeah.
pre-wedding, they could have gotten a teleprompter that just like had
Yeah.
the names written out.
Dude, also like, I'm sure this was one of her highest paying gigs. You
Yeah.
learn the names. You say Anant and Radhika. It's not that hard.
Maybe she was spending all of that time trying to come up with a new album.
I don't think she's gonna come up
It's
with
never
it.
gonna happen.
Bro, okay. Also, I have personal beef with Rihanna herself. Because
We'll call her
always-
Rihani because
Rihani,
she
yeah.
doesn't deserve to be called by her actual name.
I ordered Fenty Beauty, okay? And my order got stuck in customs because they only allow you to post one page of your rent agreement for address proof. But my rent agreement is 5 pages, so I had to make a fucking Instagram collage of my rent agreement and send it to the courier guys. And like, listen, this ain't my first rodeo. I spent so much on customs and I was so upset with this. Sorry, Fenty. I'm not even using the products I got because I'm so upset. Just kidding. I'm wearing it right now. Paisa to kharch. I feel like spending money is in.
Spending money is in. Making money is, I don't know,
Out.
question mark. I don't know where you make money. Sugar dating is in.
Sugar dating was in, wasn't
At
it?
least get an iPhone out of it.
Yeah.
You know?
And I feel like for a spicy, unidentifiable picture, you should get an iPhone.
Are nudes in?
Nudes are in always.
I have no idea.
Yeah, even I don't have.
I
any
feel like the
idea.
internet is so like when I was a kid, the guys in my class would have like encrypted hard drives to share
Oh my god.
material with each other. And now it's just so readily available that I
Yeah.
feel like everyone's dead to like a naked body.
Yeah, I feel like porn is out. You know, like big videos. Just like if it's bite sized, a 30-second reel of porn.
Does Pornhub have like shorts?
Oh my god, they should get on
That would
it.
be so good.
Yeah. Dude, I'm into that.
So now the men who are learning from porn learn even less. They're like, मैं खड़ा हो गया अब उसके बाद.
we have to make a hook. Stop licking her clit like this, and then you're doing it
6
wrong.
ways you can. Patience ran out by third tip.
Yeah, but at least they have 3 more than they started with. Like, I would be down for that.
नहीं कुछ कुछ चीजें ना 15 seconds में नहीं होनी चाहिए. Like you cannot make, you know those 1-minute cakes that you make in a microwave, they taste like ass. And you know what else tastes like ass?
Ass.
But you don't know how to do it if you learn it in 15 seconds. There's an
That's
art.
Dude, but I feel like
Yeah, please tell me what you feel.
this is so stupid, but I feel like, you know how if a guy tells me I'm gonna fuck you all night long,
Yeah.
it's out. It needs to be snappy. I don't have the attention span. Like, for me, 15 seconds is like, wow, do
Yeah.
it again. But if it's like 1 hour, I'm like, mm-mm.
That's true. I have a 10-second DJ problem, right? So I can only listen to every song that I listen to for 10 seconds and then I need to switch the vibe. Fill in the blanks. That's about it. So then that gets me to like, sex is in, but virginity is also in. So how do you make the two math?
You fuck in the ass. What is that? Something. There's a term for it. Something like back.
Half a
The
virgin.
back door is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, back door. It's the poop.
It's the poop hole loophole. Look, if you're only fucking in the ass, you're a virgin. So you can have your cake and eat it too.
This is a point when we say how much feminism is ruining the world and we
Hey.
don't believe in feminism.
What do
and
you mean? It's
no, I'm saying
it's work
after you
for
do like a
genera-
hypocritical like
Yeah.
thing that you prop yourself up on and you're like,
right back down on all fours, getting fucked in the ass.
my mom's coming.
Sorry, auntie. Sorry, mama.
My mom's like, why don't you guys do some film reviews? You know, some thoughtful films women would love to watch and give your takes on it. I'm like, here we're like, poop hole, loop hole. Poop hole, loop hole.
Dude, it really clicked in my head. I'm so excited about it.
Yeah. This video is never going to end because we have so many free opinions, right? Here's my thing. Luxury is out. Because the quality of luxury has become
It's
fast
shit,
fashion.
yeah. Thrift stores are in hardcore.
I have an issue. So people, like I know like a lot of girls are like buying thrift because they feel like it's cheaper. but you're actually spending a lot more for a much cheaper quality product, and then
Yeah.
being like, oh, I don't relate to this person who's spending more money on their outfits that are buying high quality product. But you're paying so much money for something that was bought in a wholesale rate. Like,
And also, like, I feel like thrift stores are kind of like a lot of them are not thrifting. They're just buying from like,
Chinese websites.
yeah, and then they're like, oh, because how can you have so many pieces in a thrift store? There's nothing one of a kind. It's also, I have a personal issue with like, oh, this drops at 5 Don't make me fight to buy a top, you know? Like, I don't want to be like, oh, 5 p.m., gotta buy this top that's available on Shein for
Yeah.
less money because Shein is banned in India. But yeah, like, that's my only issue because I get it. Like, I get you can't do both. You can't have no surplus plus have enough for everyone. But I think if they figure out their customer service, then maybe.
Fair. I agree.
Huh.
I think lash extensions are in. They're gonna have a comeback because trad wife is in, and what's more trad wife than an Emirati wife, and what's more Emirati than eyelash extensions?
That's true.
I wish my brain had any smart thoughts. available.
Emirati vibe.
Yeah.
Dude, trad vibes are definitely in, and I think they're gonna be majorly out in 5 years. And these trad vibes who know how to bake bread from scratch and make cornflakes at home by harvesting their own corn,
They're not going to be out in 5 years.
they're gonna be out in
No, no,
5
no, no,
years.
no.
They're gonna turn 30 and they're gonna be dropped like a hot potato.
They will still be in because they'll find a 25-year-old trad wife.
But those trad vibes cycle will happen, na?
Cycle will happen. So, like, you know how US trends happen, right? Right now, everybody in America is a passport bro because they're
Yeah.
looking for traditional wives. So, they go to countries that have more traditional feminine women and they marry those women.
Yeah.
10 years later, Indian men will go looking
Like,
for
yeah.
traditional wives to the Eastern Bloc and find some like really, really traditional feminine women. And it's just going to be a cycle that keeps repeating itself till the world
And
goes.
us and Nora just casually chilling.
Yeah.
Nana,
Yes.
I have something to ask you. Do you think sambas are still in?
I think Crocs are in.
Crocs are definitely in. I think Birkenstocks are in. And
Comet is in.
Comet is in. Comet is in actually.
I don't want to start beef in this room, but I think jaywalking is out.
Jaywalking is out. Yeah, our videographer is wearing jaywalking right now, but jaywalking had its moment. But okay, how many oversized graphic t-shirt brands do we need as a society?
Yeah. I just think my only thing with jaywalking is like amazing brand, amazing quality, like what Jay has been able to build as his personal brand. He's like changed the way that like a independent business runs. But now he needs to like evolve and revamp because it's now there's too many other players in the market.
Yeah.
It's like when Bira came in and now Biras are at the bottom of the barrel of the monkey or animal, whatever marketed beers.
Oh, beer. Okay. I was like, wait, what's Bira? What's monkey? Like, I was so confused. But yeah. Yeah, and I don't think, like, I think a lot of people copied jaywalking
Yeah,
only with it.
everyone did.
But come on, reinvent. It's chop chop. You know what? I do like Hero Shop a lot.
Yeah, Hero is in.
I just think if their prices were like 60% lesser,
Just
I
a
would
little bit.
just a little bit, just a cute.
But the
little
quality is good. But you know what my issue with the Hero is that there are only 5 styles and then everyone's wearing them and then
Yeah.
there are people who don't have the same vibe as me and I don't want to share
vibe. Bro,
vibes.
same. Dude, okay, there are some brands that I'm convinced don't sell anything. They just gift to influencers. So you go to any influencer party, everyone is wearing that. And I'm convinced nobody's buying it.
So Hero actually doesn't do that. You buy.
That I know because
Yeah.
I've bought a lot of Hero. I'm talking
Yeah.
about some other brands that,
Yeah.
chalo, I won't name by.
Like some brands are very cool.
Yeah.
And so you think if you wear the brand, you will automatically take on that brand's personality, but the brand becomes uncool.
Yeah, we've so actually there's not to be a hater, but in
But-
the interest of bitching
Yeah.
and giving y'all some gup, there's an influencer who's been wearing a couple of the same brands as me, and I sent it to Nana, and I was like, I wish she'd just stop.
It's true.
Yeah.
I was gonna like not agree with you on anything, but I don't know how not to agree with you. You're like my spirit animal.
Do you think foot is the new ass?
Toe is the new nipple.
You think so?
Keep them both safe and hidden. That's
I
my
think
opinion.
thighs are the new butt.
Thighs are the new butt.
Yeah.
I agree. I
That's
agree.
why I'm growing my thighs, not because that's where my fat decides
No,
to
no,
sit.
no. Thighs are in. Like curves are in. Baby girls are in if they're thick. But baby girls are not in if they're coquette core.
You think coquette is out?
You know, the other day I heard on a podcast that coquette core was actually it was like a feminist movement. And
Oh.
cottage core was a feminist movement because women were trying to reclaim their femininity, but then it got claimed by all the pick-me's.
Trad
now
vibes, yeah.
it's-
Yeah. Oopsie, I guess we'll never have cottage core.
Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. Oh, mixing metals, I think is
In.
Yeah.
I love it. Superior. Mix your gold with your silver.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a
I
vibe.
think also tackiness is in.
Tackiness is very in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm here for it.
Like I can't see like a full monogram like what is it, sweatshirt and the
quad set?
yeah
Yeah.
no.
I love it. Like I'm Rocky from Rocky Rani Ki Prem Kahani. Like you give me anything logoed out, like I'll be like, this is fashion.
That's true. It is very Mumbai fashion, even though it was claimed from Delhi. Like give a Mumbai person's core weakness is a quad set.
Yeah.
I have never seen them
Dude,
like
I was
more
literally
passionate.
wearing a quad set and then I put on this shirt on top because I was like, chalo, Naina's going to say at some point that quad sets are out. So
9 to 5s are out.
9 to 5s are out.
9 to 5s are out. Starting your own business is in, but at the same time, Instagram businesses need to be out. Please
Yeah.
get a website at least.
This DM to shop is out. I will never buy anything from your store if I have to DM you and be like, price please. No, it's out because then you'll say like 40,000 and then I'll feel awkward saying no, but I'm not going to part with 40,000 just because I don't want to say no.
Dude, Gen Z professional speak scares me. I don't trust anywhere where I get literally now I get official mail saying kar dena please. Bro, manage na. I'm like, excuse me, if I spoke like this to a client, my boss would have thrashed me
Yeah.
like back in the day. And now like if I'm ordering from an Instagram shop and I'm like, hi, could I please inquire about the price of this? And I would like to pay you. And the person like talking in like acronyms.
1800 slay.
Yeah. Slay queen. Yeah. I'm like, no, you don't get money.
Dude, also millennials posing as Gen Z need to be out.
Cap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
No
I got
cap.
I got a script, like a reference script, and it was like, this product is amazing, no cap. And I was like, who's written this?
It's
Just
recently
stop.
we've been getting so many briefs where it's like, I'm a cool girly. And like there was this brand that kept giving us briefs about our relationship. Like make it relatable by being like, oh, my nails are as bad as my taste in men.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
I'm
It's like I ignored all red flags, but I couldn't ignore the red flags of my hair. Like no.
This just in. This episode is reaching an end. One second.
Nana is
one
bored
second.
and she's hot.
I'm hot, and it's because the AC is off.
Yeah.
They want to talk to you.
What? You want us to take all our clothes off and chill in the coldness of the AC and we have to can this episode for that? But we can't go till y'all subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. I have a sweat mustache right now. Please. Okay, I think they did it. Please, can we leave?
No, make 2 more people subscribe.
Come on, guys, please. I'm sweating. Please, I have to film one more episode.
2 more
after.
episodes.
2 more episodes.
4 more people subscribe.
Come on, please, guys. My makeup will run and then Nana won't share her makeup with me. Please. Okay, it's done. It's done. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks. Bye.